Right here, this cop right here, man. Yo. Oh, he's sliding. Oh my God. Abnormal the Kia? That's how we moving? YouTube, what it do? It is the Only Carter once back again with another video. Today I told you guys that I'm gonna do another video today. So day one back home. I got a special surprise. We are gonna be doing a late night POV drive with the Kia K4. Juan, I haven't done a video with him in so long, so I'm excited. I'm actually at one of his games right now. He's coaching a lacrosse game, so it's halftime right now. So I'm just chilling in the car, filming the intro right now. I'll show you his car and then I'll see y'all pretty soon, you know what I'm saying? But we just hit 2,000 subscribers. On the road to 5K. You know what I'm saying? 5K, boys. Still can't believe we at 2,000 right now, you know what I'm saying? The little Kia. And I'm watching his game right now. I ain't gonna lie, they losing pretty bad, 3-10. Actually, they might lose this game, I ain't gonna lie. Let's go check it out. Look at Buddy right there. See him? He think he doing something, bro. He think he actually coaching. Oh my God. Hell no. But hey, I'm gonna see y'all soon, all right? Chat. It's me and Kate Ford. Me and Juan, bro. Finally got another video out. This about to be a late night little cruise. Hey, if he... Oh, shoot. What was that? Hey, if he starts sliding, I might have to slide with him, though. But yeah, Say that. Yo, do y'all mess with his license plate? It says ABNRML, abnormal. Abnormal actually sounds hard, low-key. I would give that a 9 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? 9 out of 10. But hey, let's start this video, man. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. We got 22 minutes. We're about to go to Señorita Bonita. It's a Mexican restaurant. I'm about to get myself a drink as well. Let's see what he does. All right. Look. It could be a little cruise type of night, or it could be a little slide type of night. I don't know. It's really up to him. I'm gonna let him lead. One of my other people, he just copped a Tesla, so we might have to collab with him as well. This summer is up, gang. We're staying consistent every time. I'm gonna try to do 2 videos every day, or 2 videos every time that I'm out of post, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Bro, is this 1 road or 2 roads? Bro, these roads over here is trash. Oh my God, nah. Oh my God, no. Nah. These roads are bugging. These roads are actually bugging. Oh, see. Oh my God, I'm not trying to get another OMG. Bro, these roads are terrible out here. Holy. Oh my, dude, okay. You know what? Bro, I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, he really moving. seen this school before. We gotta, bro, oh my god, bro, once we get that spoiler, I'm gonna probably go to Sabetti Auto Shop, but I'm gonna see if my man's Chris can do it. I'll just pay him like some cheap shit. Not some cheap shit, but maybe like a cool little honey piece. I gotta see what his prices are, cause he just added a front lip on his Tesla, and that actually looks dope. Like, it looks really professionally made. So I'm gonna see if he can just do my spoiler for the low. We right on his tail. Oh, we might have to go in sports mode, boys. Might have to go in sport. Crazy pothole. Had to get out of there. Look at him goofing. Just goofing. Is this JFK? No, it's not. It can't be. It can't be. Bro, I forgot my head mount. It's in my bag, so I gotta use one hand. I mean, which is fine. There's no problem with it. Oh, let me have the AC rolling. Oh, how do we drive so slow? I'm getting in front of this guy too. Bro has no license plate, bro. and it's getting dark. I wanted to get some light. It's all good. It's all good. We good. About to hit this Mexican restaurant. Yes, sir. Probably get a quesadilla or a taco. I don't know yet. Oh my God. Oh my God, these roads are terrible. These roads are terrible. Bro, where is he at, bro? He drives so slow. Got his boy right here. And then I got him right there as well, so. GG! Gee! Damn shame. Oh, let me get this all up. Green bean. Let's see if he can keep up. Oh my God, the potholes are insane. I'm probably never coming back in this location again. Oh, this cob right here, man. Yo. Oh my God. Oh. Call him lacking bad. Yeah, honestly, he's not gonna be able to catch up back to me. I ain't gonna lie. Honestly, if he can catch back up, I will cut up. But bro, he drives like a civilian gang. I don't understand. I don't understand it. But yeah, I got a little chill cruise for y'all boys. A little highway cruise, a little sand. Oh, this him right here? Oh, this him right here? Is he sliding right here? Oh shit. Beep. This him right here. Oh, he's sliding. Hold up. Oh, he's sliding. Oh my God. Oh, I had to hawk him down bad. All right, look. Gonna let him catch back up. I think Cobb going home. Yeah, he going home. Gonna let him catch up a bit. I'm about to weave. Hold up. Come on. I need him to catch up. Bad. Let him get up a little higher. Bad. Come on. Keep up. I don't know if he can make that cut. Okay. He made the cut, chat. This him pulling up right here. Come on. Keep going, boy. Same location, same location, same location. Bet, come on. Yes, sir. Abnormal the Kia? That's how we moving? Oh, shit. Stay with me now, stay with me now. What is your problem, man? Almost to the destination, y'all. There you go. Hey, always support your friends, boys. Always. Yes, sir. Take over. Come on. Who's gonna hit first? I need the hybrid, bro. I wish they didn't have a speed limiter, bro. 118 is too slow. At least 130 though, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm saying. This you can do easy. Oh. I'll honestly let him take over. I'll let him take over. You go ahead. Calm little drive, 9 o'clock. I'll let you know how this food gonna be. I need to get myself a bev as well. Oh, gas is still high, 461. Bro, yesterday when I filled up on, yesterday when I filled up on gas, bro, it was at 499, bro, for regular unleaded, bro. I was so blown. Well, I mean, because Toyota's an economy car, I only paid like, what, $40? I usually don't pay that. I only pay like $25. Oh, hey, if you guys enjoyed this little video that I cooked up, make sure you guys subscribe. We just hit 2,000 subscribers and we are on the way to 5K. Know what I'm saying? They added a light here. No, that's vicious. So yeah, me and Juan, we about to just grub up, enjoy the rest of the night, and just chill out. I'm gonna edit this video probably either tonight, get this video rolling for y'all tomorrow, and then I don't know, I'm probably gonna get another video out, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you guys enjoy, oh, look at that view real quick. Look at that view. Y'all see that view? It's a beautiful view. But yeah, we at Senorito Bonitas. About to get some grubbies. But yeah, hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, all right?